L-shape edging profiles serve both as edge protection against chipping and cracking of the unfinished tile and as a decorative element, specifically designed to create a visually appealing and professional installation. You can use these profiles in flooring, wall, or countertop installations for both residential and commercial projects. Moreover, they can be utilized as surface boundaries between such materials as tile, wood, vinyl, carpet, and more, adding versatility to their functionality. LATICRETE L-shape edging profiles are available in a multitude of materials and finishes. The most common materials you will encounter are PVC, aluminum, and stainless steel. Each material comes with its own unique set of benefits. Careful selection of your profile size is key to achieving the desired final appearance as well as the highest degree of edge protection from your profile. Selection of the correct size begins with the thickness of the material being installed. The profile height or size should be equal to or slightly larger so it can cover and protect the full tile edge, allowing it to sit flush with the profile edge when fully bedded and installed. You should also consider the tile adhesive and format being used to account for the additional thickness below tile surfaces. This is especially important when using profiles in combination with large and heavy format tiles. When cutting profiles, make sure to use all safety and personal protective equipment as recommended by the cutting tool manufacturer, such as gloves, protective eyewear, and hearing protection. Cutting PVC profiles can easily be achieved by using plastic snips or a hacksaw and miter box. When selecting the saw, select a saw with the highest teeth per inch to get the cleanest cut. For aluminum profiles, the best method is to use a miter saw with a dedicated aluminum or non-ferrous blade at the highest teeth per inch available. Alternatively, a variable speed angle grinder set to the slowest speed with an aluminum-specific cutting wheel can also be used. For stainless steel profiles, either a variable speed angle grinder set to the slowest speed with a stainless steel or non-ferrous cutting wheel can also be used, or a hacksaw with miter box may be used. No matter what kind of cutting tool you use, before installation, remove any burrs from the cut end of the profile with a file. Also, take care where profiles overlap and cut the mounting leg of the corresponding profile to ensure there is no interference between the two pieces. Once you have cut your pieces and ensured a proper fit, apply tile adhesive to the substrate with a notch trowel and press the L-shaped profile into the adhesive bed and align. Where profiles meet, make sure that the mounting legs were properly trimmed to prevent overlap. Once embedded, apply tile adhesive over the mounting leg. Press the tiles firmly and align them so that they are flush with the upper edge of the profile. Lay tiles to full depth, leaving a gap of 1/16 to 1/8 inch between the tile and profile for grout. Be sure to wipe away any excess adhesive touching the profile edge to prevent surface damage on the profile. Once the adhesive bed has cured, grout the joint between the tiles and the profile completely in accordance with the grout manufacturer's installation instructions. LATICRETE offers a selection of grouts to choose from for all your needs. Maintaining L-shaped profiles is a straightforward process that does not involve any special care. Cleaning them can be done easily using clean water and a sponge, and if needed, a few drops of mild dishwashing liquid can be added. It is important to ensure that the cleaning agents used are a neutral pH and free of any abrasive substances. Additionally, avoid using solvent-based cleaners when dealing with PVC profiles. LATICRETE offers a complete line of StoneTech cleaning products designed to help extend and protect the beauty of your installation. For your next commercial or residential project, make the wise choice of selecting LATICRETE Profiles and Trims to elevate the quality of your work. To learn more about our products and services, visit our website at www.laticrete.com.